If you travel in an RV, camper, or motorhome, you already know how important comfort is on the road, especially when it comes to, well, bathroom breaks. Today, I'm checking out this 22-liter RV electric portable toilet, designed specifically for campers, caravans, and travel trailers. This is a DC 12-volt electric toilet with a clean, modern design made from durable ABS material. It's built to handle real travel conditions, and it supports up to 150 kilograms, so it feels solid and reliable, not flimsy like basic portable options. One of the best features here is the electric button flushing system. With just one press, you get a smooth, hygienic flush, no pumping, no hassle. That makes a big difference when you're living or traveling on the road. It comes with a 22-liter water tank, which is great for longer trips because you won't need to empty it constantly. The included hatch design makes maintenance and cleaning much easier, especially when you're parked at campsites or rest stops. Installation is also pretty straightforward. It uses mounting cables and manual control, so it's easy to set up inside most RVs, camper vans, or motorhomes without complicated tools. This toilet is perfect if you want more privacy, convenience, and comfort while traveling. Whether you're camping off-grid, road tripping with family, or living the van life, this adds a real home-style upgrade to your setup. Plus, it runs on 12V power, which works perfectly with RV electrical systems, and it even comes with a 1-year warranty for extra peace of mind. If you're interested, click the link in the description below to buy and check out the latest price and availability. And if you enjoy reviews of RV gear, travel tech, and smart camping upgrades, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tech and travel product reviews.